My name is Harry Hubbert, and I'm the Chief Technology Officer here at Greenroom Robotics. Thanks for joining me on another product webinar, and today we'll be covering MarOps. MarOps is Greenroom's maritime operations software. In this session, we'll dive into some of the issues currently being faced in the maritime industry and how MarOps has been specifically designed and engineered to solve them. Greenroom Robotics strives to make safer and cleaner oceans by transforming maritime sectors through the ethical application of remote and autonomous systems and artificial intelligence. To help us achieve this mission, we've crafted the Greenroom Platform, a suite of modular software products designed to solve an array of problems across maritime safety, navigation, training, autonomy, vision, and process automation. Through our work with maritime experts, we have identified common issues such as inefficient workflows, crew fatigue, and complex data management. These problems threaten safety and compliance, leading to delays in operations for people to sort out data errors or other administrative processes, through miscommunication and a struggle to find vital information. Basically, no matter what industry you're in, it's crucial to have information and processes that are clear, correct, standardized, and compliant. MarOps is a maritime operations system designed to manage maritime operations from planning through to reporting. The web-based technology operates on any device, so you can use it on a phone, screen, or existing system. The software's modular design integrates smoothly with existing IT systems and infrastructure, minimizing the need for adjustments or modifications. MarOps is also fully functional with or without internet, meaning you get constant access and control in any scenario. MarOps covers everything from planning and execution to analysis and reporting, serving as an all-in-one system to streamline maritime operations. MarOps ensures data integrity, team collaboration, and consistent execution of critical missions. It replaces paper forms and inefficient spreadsheets with a single, efficient solution for a wide range of applications. MarOps solves specific challenges faced in maritime operations by supporting the critical stages of planning, execution, analysis, and reporting. In the planning stage, MarOps enables mission system operators to select from customized templates to cover their expected evolutions or mission sets. The planning features allow for the users to enter details surrounding the assets that they will utilize, the teams who will utilize them, pre- and post-mission checks, and other elements critical to ensuring a comprehensive planning process. During execution, MarOps provides features to efficiently track events, mission details, system malfunctions, or other activities, such as shift handovers or changes in planned activities. This can be thought of as a digital logbook that integrates with the ship and systems to have a comprehensive awareness and log of what happened and when it happened. To ensure that missions or evolutions have been successful, and as well to ensure that all data is collected, stored, and organized, MarOps has comprehensive analysis and data management feature sets. These features allow for users to import data from any sensor or navigation system with confidence that the data will be protected, organized, and synchronized for effective analysis and utilization. The inbuilt visualization engine allows for comprehensive data exploration, analysis, and replay. This is critical for quickly checking the effectiveness of a mission, as well as generating insights for reporting and other aspects of mission reporting. The automated reporting features of MarOps is designed to significantly reduce the administrative burden of maritime systems operators, allowing them to get their head down or focus on more critical aspects whilst fulfilling all reporting requirements. This has the potential to save hours a day in many maritime operations, and it consists of automatic generation of formatted and branded reports at the click of a button. Whether it's a daily status report or analysis of system performance, MarOps has you covered. We will now go through a quick demonstration of MarOps and how it meets each of these critical aspects of maritime operations. We're now going to go through a brief demonstration of the MarOps software and how it solves problems faced in each of the critical aspects of maritime operations: planning, execution, analysis, and reporting. The MarOps software is a web-based interface, which means it can be hosted locally or online. This particular version is an online version used for demonstrating the capabilities. Upon logging in, you'll see this main homepage. Outlines the dives, for this instance is for submersibles, as well as what's happened at that time. We're now going to go into this demo dive that has been set up for this webinar. This dashboard page provides a brief summary of the operation or the evolution. At the top here we have the basics about where it is and what is happening, and then here we have a bit of a summary of how we're going for the logs and checklists. The checklists are predominantly used for the planning stage. This can be the pre-mission dive checklists, packing checklists, risk assessments, and other aspects. The log data is used for during operations or the execution phase. First of all, we can go through the planning. As mentioned, this allows the user to go through various aspects of the planning for various maritime operations. All of these forms and pages are fully customizable, allowing our clients and users to edit and update as time goes on. You can see here that we can have text inputs, we can have drag and drops for GeoTIFF or sonar data, as well as other aspects such as times and checklists.
The next part of our operation that we're going to go through in this demonstration is the execution phase, where data is logged while the mission system or assets are doing their thing. You can see here we've set up two default logs for this demonstration. We have a weather log and a dive log. The logs are set up to allow operators to record events, whether they're pre-planned events. For instance, if you want to record when a certain milestone has been met on the mission, or if you want to add in ad hoc data or observations as the watchkeepers conduct their role and monitor the system progress. As an example here, you can see that we have a recovery sea state as a pre-filled value. So here we can say that there was a sea state 2, and as soon as I enter that data, it immediately logs it and assigns a time to it. As I also mentioned, there's features to add in information as you go. Maybe it wasn't a pre-planned event, so maybe for this particular example, in our weather log, there was a thunderstorm. Thunderstorm was sighted, and sighted 3 nautical miles away. And we can say that it was a warning. So we can also assign these, different levels of error or log, so that when we go back through the processing, we can generate a report where all the errors are logged or all the warnings are logged, so that there can be separate sections in the automated reporting feature, which we'll go through shortly. These logs can also have a confirmation aspect. So maybe the watchkeeper has seen that yes, navigation has been aligned, but this will require the confirmation of someone else. So we can confirm it, it's confirmed by the admin. So this adds a separate layer of, checks to very critical aspects of the log or the operation. In the next stage of our maritime operations, we have our data processing and analytics. First, we have to upload the data. The data, recommendations, you can see here that the system is asking us to upload some IVA sensor logs. This is because that when this mission or this dive was set up, we said that we were going to be using an IVA 3, so it's expecting to see some IVA 3 data. If this was another asset, say if it was a submersible or a vessel or a USV, it would be requesting any data that might be applicable. It's also a way to upload other files. So if you want to upload photos or other aspects from that mission, this is the ability to add those into the report and also add them into the logs that MarOps is keeping. With that data uploaded, we then go to the visualization page. So this is a bunch of tools in which you can explore the data from your mission to see, ensure that the mission was successful and review any errors or issues. You can see here there's been a few issues on this mission, which is a great way to see. You can see the vessel, the vehicle down here. We're looking at roll angle on this bottom chart is rolling around a fair bit, so that could indicate some issues. That's a beautiful part of this MarOps, is that you can check the validity of your data very easily and quickly. The data exploration chart or page is made up of various panels. You can see here that you can drag and drop and resize or change panels however you wish. We can create a new 3D plot, for instance, and then I can make it, we can move it around, drag and drop, so you can see that it's very adaptable or customizable to your needs. Part of data exploration here, as you can see, if I hover over this chart and go along a mission, you can see on the charts on the right that we can see a yellow line indicating where that is in that data set. So you can cross and sync up all your data to see and really delve into what happened during the mission. These panels are customizable to whatever data you wish. So we might want to sort of plot our pitch of the AV, not the role. You simply go over here, you select what sort of data you want, you search it in as if you're searching in a search engine, and then it'll start plotting the data options that you select. Of course, you can change colors, we can even change the labels, so if this label's not very, conducive to reporting, etc. We can change this to pitch, and then you can see here it changes everything up automatically. The final stage is automated reporting feature of MarOps. So we've gone through, we've completed our mission, we've filtered our logs and our pre and post-mission checks, we've explored our data, and now we want to report it, whether that be reported internally or externally. This feature makes it easy. We can simply generate a report. We can select from a range of templates. So all of these templates can be set up prior, and they're all templated to your particular organization or team or process that you already have in your organization or team. So that means that the templates are on your letterheads, they're formatted how you like, they adhere to all the requirements, and all you do is just select which template you'd like to use. MarOps then uses all the data from our previous logs and then generates a report. It generates them in Word format, so you can simply go download and start editing that report to then submit it. This can save significant time in the post-mission aspects of AV, ROV, USV, and vessel operations.
I hope you enjoyed that demonstration. MarOps is currently being harnessed in a variety of maritime sectors worldwide. One of the standout deployments is aboard the DSV Bakunawa, formerly known as the DSV Limiting Factor, a specialised crewed submersible that is engaged in deep-sea research missions aimed at uncovering the mysteries of the ocean's deepest locations. The transition to MarOps has transformed the management of data on board the DSV Bakunawa. By moving away from handwritten logs to a digital system, information is now systematically organised, instantly accessible, and primed for detailed analysis and reporting. The automated workflows in MarOps ensure that the data is not just collected, but structured and tracked in a way that enhances a vessel's operational efficiency and research capabilities. From my perspective, one of the most exciting benefits of MarOps is the standardization of processes. Now, this isn't the sexiest of features or benefits, but for safety critical aspects such as deep sea crewed exploration, standardizing processes reduces mistakes and increases availability to ensure that assets can be utilized to their fullest and reduces the risk so far as possible. MarOps has also been used and applied to the management of ship operations, AV operations, uncrewed service vessels, and ROVs. This wide range of applications is supported by the customizable nature of MarOps and the robust platform that it's built on. At Greenroom Robotics, every step from inquiry to integration and operation is about partnership and collaboration. We're here to ensure that MarOps isn't just a product you purchase, but a solution that transforms your maritime operations. I hope that this webinar on our maritime operations software has answered a few of your questions around what MarOps is and its capacity to streamline the maritime industry. If you still have any questions or would like to have a hands-on demonstration of MarOps, then please reach out to Greenroom team through the contact page found on our website. Thank you for tuning in and keep watching this space for more webinars on other products in the Greenroom platform.